Our van's previous owner added a brand new water heater that he never used, and neither did we. So we decided to remove it to have more storage space, and today we'll close it ourselves.
I wasn't expecting this. So
Take it off like a plaster.
it's so wet. We're going to be closed that we need to buy product or not. I'm doing it with my hands.
Yeah.
Hello!
Melanie!
We first closed all the screw holes with some plaster, as it's necessary for making it completely waterproof. Then we took the measurements of the hole and added 4 extra centimeters per side for the metal sheet. Simo's uncle gave us this metal sheet for free, as he's a blacksmith.
We're now working on the last part of Arthur, of the outside of Arthur, and it is really, really exciting because then this means that we can start working on the inside. What? That was loud.
My dad helped us with this job, and after cutting it to the right size, he smoothed it.
We thought that this one was the last part that we needed to do for the outside, but then we realized that by cutting this piece of metal, we have an extra spare one, and so we just decided to cover another part, but we will do it probably tomorrow as it takes so much time to just cut it. So we'll just go with that one now and place it outside where the water heater was. Let's hope we don't make a mess. And it turns out good. It's like a patch on jeans, but for us it's a patch on Arthur. Are you ready, Simo?
I'm more
And
than
also,
ready.
there's some colors
Yeah.
from the old Arthur.
The original
it was
ones.
Yeah, these 3 colors, and probably are the same colors that we are going to use for the inside.
Yeah, maybe just a little more lighter.
Yeah, more groundy earth
Yeah,
colors.
earthy.
We made sure that the surface was smooth enough and then started applying mastic. Simo then suggested applying it in a zigzag way. This way it's much stronger, and he was right. So if you ever do something similar, do it zigzag.
Ok? Vedi là? Ci sei?
Sì. Non troppo alto. Ok? Dopo quello che esce lo togliamo.
Oh, sta già su! Dio! Dio santo, sta già...
Fate pressione,
Ok.
esatto.
Finally, we attached this tape to keep the metal sheet perfectly in contact with the body of the van and allow the mastic to really do its job.
Schiaccia bene.
it stays. Ow. We just need to cover it, paint it in white a little bit, the edges. As working it yesterday, it made some white go away, but it's completely attached.
Yeah,
Oh gosh!
I can see it. Wow.
We now want us to put some more of this product
Yeah, on top.
on top of it, so that, as Simo said yesterday, the water doesn't stay inside when it rains,
Yeah.
but it manages to come out. But it's,
Perfect.
yeah, this is just a little bit detached here, but we can put a
Yeah,
little bit
same.
inside.
On
And
every
then-
side.
Remove what's left.
Yeah.
I hope you can remove it.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
it's easy.
Yeah.
It's easy to remove it. Okay.
High five.
I'm so happy. Oh wow!
Next week, we're going to start working inside the van by adding soundproof and creating our new floor. See you then!